This is world5dollar.com official website. Welcome to world5dollar.com. Login or register two options here available. Working hours 24, Telegram hour to join our Telegrammers. There are two programs. Log in to world5dollar.com. Single leg plan, investment plan. You know that single leg plan in single leg and investment plan in your investment plan. Stay with us. Company name world5dollar.com. Email info@world5dollar.com. Working hour 24 by important link single leg plan investment plan login are registered. Useful link home about service live states and Flip stream. Okay. First of all, we tell about the single leg plan or investment plan. You know that in the tables, first of all, single leg plan. World5dollar single leg plan are levels 15 and world active members compulsory direct accumulate daily income, number of days, total income and total income accumulates. You know that income are showing in your tables. Terms and condition. Paid amount will be not refundable. Second, minimum withdrawal $6 and $10 transaction fee, 10% transaction fee. With every day from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. the hour time, it will be released within 24 hours. Withdraw every day from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. and certain time will be released. Member can deposit funds by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Perfect Money, Jazz Cash, EasyPaisa. Also sign up. 5. Last level income flush out current level will be paid. Every day income, every day withdraw. If you are active world member reached and 6 level and 1 for you need to refer 6 level to 20, otherwise your account will not be eligible. Daily claim and status will show not eligible. Company has a right to change plan and term and condition at any time. Okay friends, now we discuss about the single leg plan. Now we investment plan. Discuss about the investment plan. We are seeing that the swap side on investment plan. Investment plan is world5dollar investment plan is minimum investment $20, maximum investment unlimited. Royalty Monday to Friday. Total royalties 100 and daily royalty 1.3 to 1.7 and 7% level 1.4. We level 24% and level minimum withdraw $6 and withdraw resolution every day. Term and condition you see in the read it completely in your account and log in. How to log in? First of all, you log in your account to register your account. How to register the account? First of all, you see in the description referral link about your sponsor ID. Put here sponsor ID. Description is also available. Sponsor ID, full name, email address, select country, and write mobile number. Okay, and investment plan admin name. You see your referral link in your description. Admin, full name and unique username, email address, select country and mobile number, and submit it. Okay, friend, live state. You can see the live your status. Loading world5dollar.com website. You see latest stats show cash. Latest amount $7 withdrawal, latest withdrawal, latest joining. You see in your date and today in Pakistan. It's also working in Pakistan. Most popular latest investment $20, $30, $25 and latest withdrawal of the investment plan. You see in your box. Okay friends, And so other information you see World Five number 49718 and running day 4190. Client feedback you see I have learned a lot about financial market while working with this company. Now I can invest and earn. John Smith. Management team. Management team you see in your dashboard. We accept Bitcoin, EasyPaisa, Atom, JazzCash, Perfect Money and Payer account. Contact us, your email ID, mobile number, subject and send messages. Business opportunity register now. You see all the about the world5.com. First of all, you join our account and in your link description available, and we cooperate with you. And you see about us. Wild $5 a legally registered private limited company which was founded at 2001 in New York and that launched a single leg plan after successfully transferred into the trading order to provide access for everyday financial product offered by the wild5.com. You read it completely and you see the service of our daily profit, sponsor profit, financial, Wild $5 features 24 hour and you read all the completely. Okay, why choose Wild $5? Easy investment, business strategy, easy profit, security ensure. Are you interested in our system? You need to more information, single leg plan and investment plan. So everything are also available. First of all, you read term and condition, then it's join.